Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich here with your outlook for May 18th, 2015. And we're going to have a backdoor cold front that's going to move in from east to west. This is a little bit different of a direction that you normally expect our weather to come from. Normally everything moves like on a west to east pattern here, and today we have this area high pressure that's actually retrograding from New England here, going to be creating an east wind, and a frontal boundary is going to be moving through again from east to west. So it's going to change the wind direction also to the east here as this moves through. So our eastern sections will have cooler temperatures, but out here you'll have temperatures a little bit warmer on this side of the front. Now there's a model disagreement here, and this is going to be kind of a tricky forecast. So the NAM threw a curveball this morning, or excuse me, this evening, when it came in here, and actually has all of this that you see here over central PA. Instead of being here, it has it over here. Now that's quite a difference if you're trying to put a forecast together, especially for some of these minor league teams that we do forecasts for, such as the Reading Fightins, who have a game tonight in Reading in Berks County. Well, if you follow the global models, it's saying it should be clear. If you're following the NAM, as we go over to this now, this is the NAM high-res future simulated radar. It's saying you got to look out for some showers and storms popping up here in the mid-afternoon hours, and maybe getting a little bit more than just a little more scattered, more so than just isolated as we head toward game time in the evening hours. So this will make a big difference if, again, the global models have this precipitation out in this area as opposed to right here. It's all going to depend on where the boundary sets up, and we'll just have to see what that happens tomorrow. If the boundary's out, obviously out here, you're going to have the firing of the storms around that boundary. If it's still situated like this, it's going to be a little bit further eastward. So we'll just have to stay on top of that during the day and give you the most updated information that we have. But right now, it looks like that precipitation just in the evening, and then we're going to have the cold front move through on early Tuesday, late Monday night and early Tuesday, with some showers mainly for our central and northern areas. That'll be very early Tuesday morning, and then we think we have clouds giving way to sunshine, or partial clearing at least here on Tuesday. I'm very optimistic that we have partial clearing here on the during the day on Tuesday. Here's early Tuesday morning, showing those showers here left over, and then that front comes through, and we have partial clearing in the afternoon. Now we're going to have high pressure that's going to build in behind it. You can see the high pressure starting to move in here. You have some stuff, looks like it's coming at us over Illinois, Indiana, going through the Ohio Valley. The only problem is it kind of falls apart as it moves towards us here. We're left with nothing here. So and behind that system that's going to be heading to our south here, not bringing any precipitation to our area here, we're going to have high pressure that's going to move in behind it, and we're just going to have dry air, sinking air sitting right over top of us straight through the forecast period of Saturday. As we get into Sunday, it starts to move off to the east here. We have a return flow to the south. We start to warm up a little bit, but we stay clear, it looks like, through next weekend. So it's looking like another fantastic weekend, at least for the start of the holiday weekend. As we get into Memorial Day Monday, that's shown right here, and you might have some showers and thunderstorms to deal with depending on where the boundary sets up. Just give me an early look at what it could look like on Memorial Day itself, so we'll just have to narrow this down. We'll get a little bit closer. Right now it looks like it's missing us, and maybe have some showers and storms late in the day on Memorial Day Monday. But again, this is a week away, so a lot of time for things to change. Right now it looks like the first part, at least Saturday and Sunday of the weekend, look dry. If you're turning it into a 4-day weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, looks like Monday is the only day during that period where you have an opportunity for showers or thunderstorms later in the day would be the call right now. Of course, subject to change. Please fall back. We'll get a little bit down a little bit closer, a little bit more specifically as we get a lot closer to it. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich, and that is your outlook for May 18th, 2015. Have a great Monday.